So how Rizal differs from other Filipino heroes, which lead him to be the national symbol of our country. So Rizal is different from other Filipino heroes because he believed in peaceful change through education and writing, not just armed fighting. His ideas and writings inspired people to work for freedom. When he was killed, it made him a powerful symbol for the nation's fight for independence. Results also emphasize on education and writing set him apart. He believed that by enlightening minds, people could achieve freedom without resorting to violence. His novels like No Limitang Here and El Filibusterismo exposed the injustice under Spanish rule and inspired Filipinos to demand